Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the daily cipher word, which is alt. And those of you who know crypto, alt means alternative coin. So any other coin that is not Bitcoin is an alternative coin, so they are called alt coins. And this is today's daily cipher word, alt, or alternative in full. So we line up the letters A, L, T. Then we look for the corresponding Morse codes. For A, we check this out. It's a dot and a long press. So A is a dot and a long press. Then we look for L. Look for L, which is this dot, long press. Dot, long press, dot, dot. So dot, long press, dot, dot. That's L. Then T, as usual, it's a long press. Let us scroll here. As you can see here, T, it's a long press. Now let me get the phone and we enter these Morse codes. Today's word, I guess it's very simple. As always, click here in the middle where you see Daily Cipher. Click there and then we enter these Morse codes. We said A, tap, long press, that's A. Then L, tap, long press, tap, tap, that's L. Then T, you long press. And the word is alt, so alternative. Lastly, click on take the price. This should be simple to everyone. Only 3 letters. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.